Hey guys, this is Nick again, here to unbox some FatShark stuff. First we'll start with the camera. We have their standard mini CMOS camera. A little 700 TVL camera. Comes with a little lens cleaning cloth. Next we have the transmitter and immersion RC antenna in one. These are really cool. This whole system is very plug and play. Basically all you have to do is plug it in and give it power and it works. Channel adjustments right here. The integrated antenna. So all super duper easy to use. This thing is actually going to go on that big hexcopter right there, so we'll let you guys know how it works, and we want to thank FatShark for letting us test these out. Thank you.